Hi, this is Sukrit and welcome to Gear Reviews at 4play.in. Today we are going to have a look at the Wildcraft Bouldering Crash Mat. Now I've been using this crash mat for the past 2 years and this has accompanied me on almost all my climbing trips from Hampi to Leh. So let's have a look at its key features. One of the biggest wins for this crash mat is its size. At 51 inches height and 39 inches width, this is one of the biggest crash mat for its price. The mat has a regular sandwich shape which makes it easier to fold and carry it on your back. It is also generously endowed with about 4 inches of open-celled and closed-celled foam, which can take quite some pounding. What's even better is that Wildcraft has built in these zippers, so you can easily take out the foam and replace it when you need. The outer shell is made of polyester, which is quite tough. You can take it through bushes or lay it out on the rock. And I've been using this crash mat for the past 2 years, as I said, and still without a scratch due to this polyester outer shell. What I also love on this mat is this outer pocket. It holds about 18 to 20 liters and it carries almost all your climbing stuff from shoes to chalk bags to water bottles, anything that you need for a bouldering outing. Unfortunately for this pad, its advantages seem to work against it. Its sheer size adds to its bulk, so it can get a bit difficult to carry it through narrow passages and trailheads. Also, the sandwich shaped design of this pad. This central gutter here can attract rocks which may get wedged in between and can actually damage the pad or could injure you. And I'm also not a big fan of these buckles on the closure system. They can actually get smashed under your feet and then ruin the whole closure system. A major feature missing on this pad is a wiping rug. So you basically cannot wipe your feet on anything before you start climbing. Let's have a look at a crash test that we performed on this mat from a height of 8 feet. As you can see from the crash test, this mat can take quite some pounding. Priced at INR 6000, this is one of the best all-round crash mats available in India right now. That's all in the review section today. Stay tuned for more reviews and stories from the Indian outdoors only on 4play.in.